To add a discount code on Wix, start by logging into your Wix account and navigating to the Wix editor. From the dashboard, click on the Marketing tab and select Promotions. In the Promotions panel, click on the Create Promotion button and choose Coupon from the drop-down menu. Next, fill in the details of your coupon, including the code, discount type, and amount. You can choose from a percentage or fixed amount discount, and set the duration of the coupon. You can also specify which products or collections the coupon applies to. Once you have filled in the details, click on the Save button to create the coupon. The coupon will now be listed in the Promotions panel, where you can view, edit, or delete it as needed. To make the coupon available to your customers, you will need to add it to your site. To do this, go to the Wix editor and click on the Add button. Then select More from the drop-down menu. Search for the coupon widget and drag it onto your page. Configure the widget settings to display the coupon code and details. Finally, click on the Publish button to make the changes live on your site. Your customers can now enter the coupon code at checkout to receive the discount. Best practices include setting clear expiration dates, limiting the number of uses per customer, and promoting the coupon through social media and email marketing. By following these steps, you can easily add a discount code to your Wix site and start driving sales and customer engagement. Remember to regularly review and update your promotions to keep your marketing strategy fresh and effective. With Wix, you can create and manage promotions in minutes and start seeing results for your business.